Trees are a fundamental component of our planet's recovery. They are the best technology nature has for locking away carbon. The original raw material used for carton manufacture is wood fiber from sustainably managed forests in Europe. The annual growth of new wood in Europe exceeds the amount harvested by a large margin. Therefore, no tropical rainforests are destroyed in order to make paper and board. We need to rediscover how to be sustainable and move from being apart from nature to becoming a part of nature once again.